So we have the DSP, which is 4" across and 5.5" long, and so accordingly the card base in thick basic white is the length here would be 8 because we're going to fold it in half so that it's 4, and then the height is going to be the 5.5. All right, so then we're just going to glue this on top of that. Oh, what have I done with my glue? Oh dear, where is my glue? Here it is. Here we go. So just simply gluing that down. This is quite a cool side as well, isn't it? This paper here with the bright sunshine. But we are sticking with our floral theme. So we're just going to put it on here. And very cool, just making this nice. Don't you just love our DSP? Quickly, how quickly is that, right? And then this one is the circle die, which circle die cut out of the Stylish Shapes dies, which is still in our current annual catalogue, so we're just going to use that. And then we are going to stamp the teacup image in crumb cake. Quite simply, I'm just going to stamp that on. Here we go. Cool thing about circle is that it doesn't matter if you didn't stamp it straight because you just move the circle. Like if I had stamped it like that, but I just kind of move it, right? Cool thing about circles. Love using circles. And this time, maybe I'll make the flower red, which is the Poppy Parade. Let's see, Poppy Parade, is this Poppy Parade? Right, we've got dark Poppy Parade or we've got light Poppy Parade. Or I might just use, I'm going to start with that. So the cool thing about stamping up like all these images is it's got these, I'm no colorist, so I just go with very basic. I'm just following the lines that was already there. And then I will just blend that through. It's a cool thing about using blends. Okay, so the trick is going over the darker bits and really putting some pressure on it. So here we go. How are we looking? Looking good? Okay, so I'm just going to pull that out a bit. Yo, okay, so that's cool. So that's the red. And then I'll just do that in the blue, which is the pool party. And again, I'm just going to follow all those shapes. Those lines will be my guide for the shading. Okay. So, yep, just doesn't have to be hard. Right, oh, and there's some shading here as well. Just go with it. I mean, if you are a colorist and you want to do a better job, obviously go for it. Yeah, I'm just doing what I can with my limited coloring skills. But that's the cool thing about Stampin' Up, right? It's just like the stamp set has made it. Now, it's okay for me to go over the leaf because I'm going to show you another trick. Of course, I can just use a green, oh, sorry about that noise, a green color for the leaf, but I'm going to show you that there's another way you can do, you can use the blends, you know, so how's that? All good? I'm just blending it right in. Yeah. All good. Okay, and oh yeah, so I'm just going to show you what I do with, yeah, I'm just going to do it with the blue. And then I'm going to pull in the yellow. And ta-da! Primary school, elementary, it's elementary, Watson, elementary. Blue and yellow makes green. Here we go. I'm going to put the yellow dot in the middle there. Okay, so how cool and easy was that? And then we're just going to put it there, and then we just need a strip of, I'm going to put that one, and do I have a strip of cardstock? Just a strip that you probably have in your scrap. Let me go grab a scrap piece. I'm sure we all have lots of scrap pieces. Alright, so I'm going to do that. And I'm going to have Poppy Parade with the colours. Poppy Parade. Okay, so where's, oops, I'm just going to pull it, I'm going to put it in the frame. So I'm going to have over here, very lightly, you make every day a little brighter. How cool is that? I don't think it's very straight. Alright, let's try it again. Gonna try it here again. Do not think that was very straight, so I'm going to try it one more time. That's terrible. Well, 2 sides to a paper. Okay, that looks a bit better. Ta-da! Alright, and then I'm going to trim that off. So right about here. And maybe making it a little bit skinnier. Cool thing about our trimmer, I love that we can make thin slivers. Yep, that's cool. I quite like that. I'm going to leave it at that. Alright, move that out of the way. And so now I can have this. And then let's pull in, what colour shall I have? I think this is petal pink, but it kind of looks a little bit different, isn't it? No, maybe I will not use that because that doesn't look the same. I will use the gold. Okay, let's have a look. Let's pull in some gold because I do like my glitter. I think, how's that? I think I'll go a bit of gold. Alright, I'm happy with that. Very happy with that. Now, I'm just going to add some more stuff on this with, okay, where are we? We have clear. Now I'm going to just add some glitter on here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I like it a bit more glittery. I'm just going probably a bit overboard now, but here we go. That's cool. That's a bit more glittery. And then I want to, it's quite nice leaving it plain like this, but I also like to actually give it a bit of dimension here. I'm going to, texture and interest. I'm going to use the crumb cake, and I'm going to just do some splatter. Right, so just to kind of create a bit more of an interest now. So it's so now I'm not sure if you can see very well, but yeah, so I've got some splatter. All right, and then happy with that. Move that out of the way. Right, pull this back in. And then I'm going to add, just adding dimensionals. These are the minis. We have the standard size, the regular size as well, but I've just got the minis here because it's handy. Handy to what I have, what I'm doing, whatever is on my desk. Here we go, and then that just goes on top like so, and then that goes there. Let's cut that off. Oh, oops, it's a little bit. I think we want there, and then we want it like so. So we have a little bit of glitter going on here. Alright, I'm just going to do it like that. I'm happy with that. Alright, so I don't want to lose my place there. Oh well. Did I have it around here maybe? Hopefully. Let's see. And then that goes on there like that. Yep. More of this. So I've got that. Yep, that's the one. Make sure I'm putting glue on the adhesive on the right side. So this is the ugly side where I didn't stamp very well. Oh, okay. Here we go. And then that. Oh, nearly put it upside down. Okay. There you go. So that's the finish card. You make every day a little brighter. Isn't that cool? So yeah, so